This is going to be the rear differential gearbox oil change on a Maverick Max. Now if you'll notice, it's not as difficult as it is on a regular Max. Right down there below this piece right there, you see that? Right there. That's the drain plug, or that's the fill plug. You always take the fill plug off first, because if something happens and you strip a bolt or something and you've got it drained out, you don't have no way to fill it. Just a safety. Okay, you need a 6mm hex head and an extension and a ratchet wrench, and you go right back in there and you lefty-loosey. Oh, there. Now I've got it loose. Wasn't very tight to begin with. So right here it is. Hope you can see that down in there. It's right there. And I'm just going to turn it until it comes off. Can you see down in there? Move the camera around over the top or something. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it. That's the fill plug for the rear. It's on the passenger side, yeah. For the rear differential fluid. Okay, now we're going to do the drain plug. Now the drain plug is right in here. And I've already taken it out. This is on the rear driver's side. But let me show you how it come out. The video over here. Here's the drain plug. You see it okay? Okay. That's the drain plug. Probably going to have to modify a tool, and then you have to put your hand, you have to stand behind the machine right here, put your hand over here and your other hand over under the front. But you're going to need to modify a tool. Here. You need to get you a little bitty ratchet, and you need to get a 5mm socket. Then you need to take a long 5mm hex wrench or Allen wrench, whatever, hex head, and you need to cut about 1.5 to 1 3/4 of an inch off of it, like that. Slide that down in there, and there's your tool for getting in there and taking it off. And again, you just have to maneuver your body. Usually you have to sit down behind the machine, put your hand over the CV boot, and your other hand inside, lefty-loosey again to take it off. And then of course you repeat that to put it back on. Then you want to fill it with 13.5 ounces of 75 W90 synthetic gear oil. And you're good to go.